Welcome traders to this new market game plan for week 14 for Nasdaq futures. Over here you see a monthly chart, but first we dive into the economic calendar as usual. So it's the first week of April and I'm super excited about that. On Friday we have NFP release, which I always skip. I skip the first day as well. So yeah, I guess I'm kind of lazy. I take early weekends the first week of the month due to the NFP release, because my main focus is on the first part of the week. So on Monday, Tuesday, yeah, maybe Wednesday. But my main focus, even though we don't have any high or medium impact news driver on Monday, I will yeah, see what opportunities are there, and I am willing to yeah, to risk some more money on Monday and Tuesday. On Tuesday we have 9:45 and 10 a.m. news, yeah, which is even better. So I expect beautiful run on Tuesday as well, low resistance liquidity run. On Wednesday I expect a low resistance liquidity run, but a smaller one than Tuesday and Monday. On Thursday we do have 8:30 a.m. news, 9:45 a.m. news, and 10 a.m. News, unemployment claims and PMI numbers. Yeah, and on Friday 8:30 a.m. NFP release, which is the main headliner for the week. The average hourly earnings, unemployment rate may have an impact on NFP. NFP can either have a small range day or a large range day. It's highly manipulated, so yeah, wait for the opening bell, wait for 9:30 a.m. New York Eastern time to take any trade if you're gonna trade at all. As I said, I am lazy, but I'm trusting my number and my statistics, so it's better for me to skip the Thursday and the Friday, as it yeah, sometimes I make money, but on the long run I lose on these days. So I can better skip them than yeah, trying to arm wrestling with it. So yeah, again, first part of the week, main focus. Okay, on the monthly chart, you can see that we are still in a high time frame uptrend. Yeah, after COVID, all the lockdowns where the low was created, I think it was actually the 14th or the 12th of March 2020. Remember it like yesterday. But okay, huge run towards the upside. And now March is heavily bearish. So February was a down close month, 1859 handles. And March we dropped almost 2000 handles. And the month is not over, so maybe plus 2000 handles, which is pretty insane. If we go to the weekly chart, we can add the annotations from here. So these were the discount arrays that we were monitoring. We want these discount and premium arrays to be used as a premium array to send price lower. So currently, yeah, we dropped for 4 weeks consecutive. We had one inside week, inside previous week's range. Last week we turtle souped the week before and the week before that, which was the SIBI on the weekly chart, as you can see here, with the volume imbalance annotated. Let me take these off for now, because these are irrelevant for now. Okay, so we respected this SIBI to send price lower. We are watching, as you can see with the eye, we are watching the low at 19,140 or thereabouts. Inversion fair value gap over here, so we still want price to close below, tap it back, manipulate towards the upside to retrace and activated that bearish inversion fair value gap to send price into 18,340, these relative equal lows over here. And from there, potentially into the discount wick consequent encroachment, which is the midpoint of this wick over here, the low, and these relative equal lows around 17,110. So yeah, we still have a long way to go from the closing price of last week towards this low over here. We are talking about about 2,247.75 handles. So we have a long way to go. Many shorting opportunities in the meantime. Yeah, let's dive into the daily chart. So last week we had this premium new week opening gap. Monday, bullish day. Tuesday, bullish day. Into the high of the weekly SIBI. Into the lowest body over here, as you can see. We rejected from there. The last part, the later part of last week, we traded towards the downside with Wednesday, large range, and Friday, which is, I would say, unusual because generally the first part of the week is, has larger ranges. But for this week it was different. So we closed below the SIBI. We had this volume imbalance, immediate rebalance, trading into the SIBI low, into the lower quadrant, and boom. Note the reaction with the premium wick consequent encroachment, which was functioning as a discount array over here at this candle during this day on Thursday, and used as a premium array on Friday to send price, boom, below this SIBI over here, which was used as a bullish inversion fair value gap to send price higher, but is now expected to function as a premium array again, so as a reclaimed SIBI, trading up into this SIBI over here, respected as a premium array, but what I would expect, depending on the opening price on Sunday, because we can gap down below these relative equal lows pretty easily if we have a large new week opening gap. But what I would expect is some manipulation up into this SIBI, but I am expecting this premium wick consequent encroachment to be traded to again. So 19,986.5, let's say 20,000 will be my bullish target. Yeah, and I expect downwards price action. So I'm not so much looking for longs. I might take one if I see a really good setup, but with lower risk. And I'm gonna push my edge a little in a responsible manner. So my high time frame bias is still bearish. Let's see how next week will unfold. So if you made it till the end, I want to thank you for participating. I hope you learned something, and I hope I taught you something you can use next week to make more, either money or R. So I want to wish you a lot of luck with that. For now, I want to wish you a very, very nice weekend and an even better trading week ahead. See you next week.